Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best under-desk treadmills in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Plus Under-Desk Treadmill, Electric Treadmill, Walking Pad with touchable LED display and wireless remote control, built-in pre-workout modes and 12 programs, running jogging for home office. Heavy-duty construction and widened running platform. Our slow-walking machine can withstand 220 pounds of weight due to its heavy-duty construction. In addition, the 41x17 walking area provides you with a more comfortable sports experience, and the 3 pedals that meet safety standards guarantee your safety during exercise. Compact size and lightweight design. The size of the walking treadmill is 51.5 x 23.5 x 6.5, and the compact size allows it to be stored in any desired location, such as under the sofa, under the bed, or at the bottom of the wardrobe. Besides, 2 wheels allow you to easily move and carry. Number 2. GPAD A1 Pro Walking Pad Folding Treadmill Smart Walk Slim Foldable Exercise Fitness Equipment Under Desk Running Indoor-Outdoor Gym Maximum Load 300 Ubs Black. Foldable Patent. The Folding Minimalist Treadmill won the 2019 International Award, Red Dot Design Award, and FDAIGN Aid Award. With a minimum height of only 5 inch, length of only 32.3 inch. With convenient transportation wheels to move around without hassle. You could store it in your living room, study, sofa, a small corner, or under the bed. Intelligent speed control. The running speed is controlled by the human motion trajectory. You can control the speed as needed. Restore the state of your outdoor sports. Walking and working. Walking Pad Walking Machine is designed with a tabletop, which has large surface area of 47 x 16.5. You can focus on your work or entertainment while doing exercise. Number 1. Walking Pad Folding Treadmill Ultra Slim Foldable Treadmill Smart Fold Walking Pad Portable Safety Non-Holder Gym and Running Device P1 Gray 0.5 to 372 MPa. Ultra Slim Foldable Running Board for easy storage. This walking pad foldable treadmill P1 adopts ultra slim high-strength aluminum frame design with patented hinged folding running board. The size of this walking pad is 56 inch x 21.5 inch and only 32 inch x 21.5 inch when folding. The thickness of this pad is just 5 inch, equal to the thickness of the door. It can be easily hidden under the sofa or bed. It is only 62 olds for you to take away. Smart Gravity Foot Sensing Speed Control. To avoid fall-down risk on the speed walking pad, this foldable treadmill P1 doped with high sensitive gravity sensors to support speed control. You'll easy to feel the front accelerate area, middle uniform speed area, and back decelerate area. And the whole process is automatically controlled by your foot position.